Hello, I'm Paul Greaves, Global Grease Brand Manager, ExxonMobil Fuels, Lubricants and Specialties Marketing Company, a division of ExxonMobil Corporation. Every day, in more than 200 countries, Mobil branded greases promote long oil drain intervals and enhanced equipment protection, which can help companies mitigate potential safety risks through lower need for maintenance and employee interaction with equipment, minimize potential environmental impact through reduced disposal of product packaging, used grease, and worn-out equipment, improve productivity through increased equipment availability, and reduce maintenance costs. That's why they're used in nearly every commercial and industrial sector: energy, steel, mining and construction, general manufacturing, pulp and paper, automotive, aviation, and marine. In fact, our Mobil SHC Grease 460WT synthetic lithium complex grease is used to protect nearly 25,000 wind turbines worldwide. At steel mills around the world, our Mobil Grease XHP 461 helps companies enhance the performance of mill bearings. Successful companies in the food and beverage sector rely on our synthetic Mobil SHC Polyrex series of H1 greases to protect their equipment from extreme temperature conditions. And on the racetrack, three-time NASCAR Sprint Cup champion Tony Stewart and Formula One driver Jenson Button use Mobilith SHC grease to lubricate the wheel bearings of their vehicles. Being a leader in grease technology hasn't happened overnight. Not at all. ExxonMobil has more than 100 years of industry expertise in formulating and developing advanced greases. We work side by side with the world's leading equipment manufacturers to ensure our products deliver exceptional performance for their intended application. We carefully control the way our greases are manufactured. And we can provide you with consistent quality and product performance anywhere in the world. Today, there are many types of greases available in commercial and industrial marketplaces, but be assured that only Mobil branded greases are backed by the full rigor of our technology leadership and state-of-the-art innovation. They are engineered smart right from the start, and just like they've been for more than 100 years, they are expertly formulated to help advance your company's productivity. Mobil branded greases, for productivity that sticks.